Hi, my name is Mark Adahar, one of the founders of XSculpt, and I'm here to talk to you today about how XSculpt was formed and how I got interested in it. So, my story is similar, if not identical, to a lot of people out there. Ever since I was a baby, growing up, I was one of the big, or you can say fat kids, of the class, of my friends. And as I grew older, during my younger years, the problem just got worse and worse. I was a guy who tried every diet in the world. I read a lot about all these fad diets and all these tricks to lose weight, and it almost always worked for a little bit, and then ultimately the weight would come back, and even worse, I would gain more weight, just like you hear about all the time. You could say my wake-up call was in December of 2015. One of my close friends had passed away suddenly. He was my age, and he passed away from a severe heart attack, and it kind of woke me up to change my life. I have two sons, with a third one on the way now, and a beautiful wife that I have to be around to take care of, and wanted to make sure that I did everything I could on my part to stay as healthy for as long as possible. I immediately went back to studying all I could about nutrition, about exercise, about proper diet. At that time, when I started this out, I should say that I was pre-diabetic. I had starting to get problems with hypertension. I had a lot of joint and back pain. I had problems with my body, I had started to develop gynecomastia, or man boobs, which was affecting my self-esteem. I would never be able to take off my shirt in public. But just all around, I was having body image problems, lack of self-confidence. I was starting to have medical health problems, and so that's the thing I wanted to really turn around. So went back to school, learned everything I could, and eventually the weight started coming back off. Then I'd have to probably say around maybe 6 months into it, I had lost 20 pounds by that point. I just started having symptoms like fatigue, tiredness, irritability, symptoms that you wouldn't expect from somebody who's trying to get their life back together and getting healthy again. So I ended up, or actually one of my close friends who does hormone replacement therapy said you should probably check your levels, and I did, and surprisingly my hormone levels, specifically my testosterone levels, was extremely low for my age. It was about maybe 20% of where it should have been. So I ended up going on hormone replacement therapy, testosterone replacement therapy, and within a couple of weeks I was feeling great. I was feeling great again. I was feeling excellent. The weight started coming off again. I started actually getting my muscle tone back, and I was feeling better than I ever had. And then I was able to continue on and lose, ultimately about 60-70 pounds. Went from body fat percentage of 32% body fat down to as low as 15. Now I'm about 18% now. But regardless, I was able to get rid of the diabetes. My blood pressure is normal. My cholesterol is great. And then, regarding my self-body image, everything just fell into place. I did have issues with gynecomastia a little bit, and with the help of XSculpt, what I formed with the XSculpt, I was able to get rid of that. And so that's basically how I got to this point. And now to continue on, how that led to the formation of XSculpt. Being a physician myself, being a surgeon specifically, I never learned about hormone replacement therapy in medical school. It's something I really researched and learned on my own. So it helped me or benefited me so much. I figured this is something that should be part of standard care. Excuse the phone. This should be something part of standard care that everybody should be, that everybody should have the option of exploring. So I was actually talking to one of my good friends and former surgeon in training, Dr. Trong, who is an excellent surgeon, and we came together and we wanted to offer our services to the general public out there, and that's how XSculpt was formed. So hopefully that listening to my story, I'm certain that some of you out there has the same story, and if you are and you're looking for some help, we can help you. We can help you with problems with your health. We can get you healthy by, helping you lose weight, helping you get your hormones normal, protecting you from help protect you from some diseases. A lot of diseases out there that are related to body, obesity and problems with health. If you have problems with gynecomastia or just can't get rid of that last bit of fat, Dr. Trong, who's an excellent cosmetic surgeon, can help get rid of that, help you, and that helps build your confidence level up. We have Dr. Tatiana Batista, who's our specialist in women's health, and can help in all of those areas as well. So please reach out, check our website out, give us a call at 833-XSculpt, which is 972-8578, and I hope to see you soon.